Motor Mind.
Hey folks, welcome back. It's Motor Mind here. It's been a while since I've done any kind of videos. I've just been super busy with life, family, work, and just haven't got to any of the projects. I do have some videos coming up here very soon. I'll be doing a few different things, some suspension work, turbo work, and also finishing up some welding on a project of mine. So I'll do hopefully get some videos done, and I can start posting some content again. This is a little bit of a different video here though I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to put a word out. I am actually going to be participating in a charity mixed martial arts event. I'm raising money for Mind UK, which is a mental health charity, and I'll put the links down below in the comments. And if anybody wants to donate to a good cause for mental health, I would ask you please, donate what you can and try and raise as much money as you can. And I'll also put up the video. There will be a YouTube video. I'll link it, or I'll clip out my fight if I'm able to get in there, and I'll put that up on my channel. It'll be kind of interesting to see a little bit about myself. Why I decided to do this. For one, I've trained in martial arts since I was 7 years old. I'm in my mid-40s now, so I've done off and on. I've done different kind of Korean martial arts. I've done Japanese martial arts. I've done groundwork, stand-up, stuff like that. So this is kind of a chance I'm going to try to do to try to use some of these skills in a full combat situation. I've done self-defense like myself on the streets, but I've never actually competed anything. So this should be an interesting time to do this. Part of it, I will actually be doing a bit of extra MMA training with this program I've done some in the past, so I'll be doing another 8 weeks. So if anybody's interested and wants to donate to this charity, I would muchly appreciate that. I think it's something definitely worthwhile, and something that's not campaigned for enough, I don't think. I've been affected with mental health myself in the past, as well as my family, and I've lost family due to mental health issues. So it is something that's near and dear to myself. Also, if anybody who is in Liverpool area would like to be interested to attend and is a fan of my channel, I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but there's somebody around. If you're in the area in the middle of July, then hit me up with comments, and I can send you a link to buy some tickets if you want to come see. It's a black tie affair. It's just be quite good, and I'll have lots of fun. It's 18 plus, so it'll have to be 18 plus for because there is like adult drinks and stuff there as well. But hopefully that anybody wants to donate, that'd be awesome. And anybody who wants to come and see me get in there and knock some heads, then I appreciate that, and I would hopefully can see you there. Thanks for watching, and I will be seeing you soon. I'll do some new videos. See you again. Thanks.